Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to do a very fun activity. It's not an activity, it's painting only. So it's like colorful your abstract tree, and we'll be learning about blending and shading today. Blending is when you just color two colors together, like light orange or orange or light yellow, red and pink, light green, dark green. Okay, so when you mix two colors and they give a little shade effect, we will learn about that. So before that, we are going to draw. So material required: any shade, art file, whatever you have, pencil like sketch pen, and your colors. So whatever colors you have: oil pastels, crayons, pencil colors. Don't use water based colors, okay? Don't use watercolors, don't use poster colors for today's activity. Okay, so let's get started now. So first of all, the drawing is very simple. Okay, you just need to take care of the lines. Okay, so there are too many curves. Just take care of that, and then you will be able to draw a beautiful tree. Okay, so we will start from the top. We'll make this curve like this. Okay, elongated S. Done till here. Now we are going to make some branches. Okay, so we'll make the right side once and then we'll come towards the left side. So first one, like this. Okay, later on we are going to make it a little bold. ठीक है, उसके बाद ड्राइंग के बाद हम थोड़ा इसको ऐसे बोल्ड करेंगे. आप जब आप पेंसिल से ड्राइंग कर लोगे उसके बाद यू यूज़ योर नॉर्मल स्केच पेन्स और मार्कर्स whatever you have, and with that you will just give some little, you are drawing a little boldness. थोड़ा सा उसको मोटा करेंगे फर्स्ट. ओके, सेकेंड वन ऑन हेयर इटसेल्फ, इसको भी ऐसे, इसको भी बोल्ड कर देंगे. Third one from this one only. Okay, the third one is coming from this one, and try to make big because we want good space for coloring. And we'll just give little boldness to this one also. So in this activity we are keeping our sheets vertical, okay, like this. In portrait mode we are not keeping it like this, we are keeping it like this. Whatever file or sheet, whatever you're using, to keep it like this. Okay, now we are done on the right side, we come on the left side. Now a big one coming from here and joining this one, the center one. Okay, next, second one, again coming from here. Now third one, again coming from this one. Okay, let's add one more from this one, the center one. Okay, like this. So this is the last one. We are done. Okay, so our tree will look something like this. Okay, so the drawing is done. Now comes the main part, which is coloring. Okay, see, I just tell you one or two, and then you're going to do it on your own, and you can choose any two or any three colors, whatever you like. I have this good amount of shades here. I have so many shades, so I can choose any two or three colors together. Okay, suppose I am going to take here violet, shades of violet. Okay, and I'll just take here little fluorescent pink. So what I'll do, I'll start from the lightest tone which I have. Okay, let's remove this pink one. I'll take this. Okay, so in this one the lightest tone I have is this. So I'll start coloring like this. सबसे लाइट कलर होगा उससे आप शुरू करोगे थोड़ा थोड़ा. And take your time, okay? No hurry at all. Take your time, do it nicely. Second color. This one is little darker from the one which I did before. Okay, so I'll take this one now and I'll color it a little bit. Okay, so here we are not using anything. We're not using tissue. We're not using cotton. Nothing. We're just using colors. And try not to break your colors, okay? Because these are very soft ones. थोड़ा थोड़ा अब लाइट वाले में हल्का हल्का सा बीच में डार्क कलर से शेड देंगे like this. Okay, just little bit of it. It's already smudging. You don't need to use anything, any scraper, cotton or something else, nothing. Now I'm using this dark color. Now shade it like this. थोड़ा सा इसमें ऐड कर दिया. अब अगर वो नहीं हो रहा स्मज, ओके, जस्ट टेक द सेंटर कलर, हल्का हल्का उसको स्मज कर दिया. You can do this with two colors also, okay? Either take light or dark, any two colors or three colors, or if you have big space like this, take any four colors. Okay, so color you're going to choose the colors on your own. The second one, let's take yellow, orange, and let's take red. So which color we'll take first? Yellow. So we'll take more of area of yellow because now this time we have just three colors and space is very much. Okay, so now we'll take this yellow color. We'll color the some space with yellow. And if you're using some oil pastels, just keep a newspaper below your art file or whatever you're using, or sheet, loose sheet, whatever it is, just keep a newspaper below. Otherwise your table or some surface will get spoiled. Orange, second color. So if in this one, if I don't want to use third color, I'll take more of yellow and more of orange. Orange done, and then red. So this shading will help you in your further artworks, okay? If we'll do flowers, if we'll do landscapes, whatever we are going to do, these type of shadings will help you. So please don't get bored, because this you have to continue to for a very long time. So bored नहीं होना please, ठीक है? So if you're not able to smudge it properly, so what I told you, take the lighter color, like in this case I'll take yellow and I'll smudge it with yellow. So here I'm not using any tissue or cotton, anything, nothing is there. Like this. Okay, so like, see, be careful with your sheet, it should not get spoiled. So in this, like this, you have to do all of them. I'll just quickly tell you the shades, or you can choose the colors on your own, whatever color shade you have with you. But in these two sections, in this one and this one, we are going to do green. shades of green. Okay, light green, and then gradually take the dark one. Okay, take the dark one gradually. Light, so we have here light green and this one, so half of it I'll do with this, or I'll take another tone in between these two, or I'll take the dark one, I'll keep this in between. Light, medium, and then the dark. So if this is not looking very dark, we can take another color which can be the darkest one. Like this we can do. Okay, in these ones you have your color, you can choose whatever color, you can even take some neon pinks and all. Okay, you can even take these neon pink and purple. Okay, like this. You can even take shades of brown if you want. Okay, you can go ahead with peach and red, or peach and pink. They two make a great shade. Okay, so again similar in this one also, shades of green, and in these like pink. Okay, you can just repeat the colors. If you want, you can use this yellow or orange one here. If you want to use this pink and violet one here. All right, and if you want to use, you can even use shade of blue, light to dark, and you can even use this one here, pink and violet. I hope I'm clear now. So I'll be looking forward to see your artworks very soon, and please take your time, do it nicely. And if you're not having so many colors, you can just go ahead with two different mediums. Like in some part you can use oil pastels, in some part you can go ahead with pencil colors. Okay, so in this way you will have beautiful abstract tree painting ready with you. And then if you want to frame it, you can frame it, hang in at wall, or in or around your in your creative corner, wherever you want to hang. So do share your artworks with me. Have a great day. Stay home, stay safe, and yeah, thank you so much.